Welcome back. In previous lecture, we have discussed about simple aqua ammonia vapor absorption system and practical aqua ammonia vapor absorption system. Now, we will discuss about domestic Electrolux refrigerator. So, this type of refrigerator is also called as three fluid absorption system. The three fluids used in this system are ammonia, hydrogen, and water. The ammonia used as a refrigerant because it possesses most of the desirable properties. Though it is toxic, it is very safe in this system due to absence of any moving parts. There is a least chance of any leakage. Second fluid is hydrogen. The hydrogen being the lightest gas is used to increase the rate of evaporation of liquid ammonia passing through the evaporator. The hydrogen is also non-corrosive and insoluble in water. This is used in the low pressure side of the system. And third fluid is water. The water is used as solvent or absorbent because it has ability to absorb ammonia. See the diagram carefully. In this diagram, generator is there, after that rectifier, after that condenser, after that evaporator, after that absorber, heat exchanger, and the cycle is continuous. Now see the working of this domestic Electrolux refrigerator. We will start the working from condenser. The ammonia liquid leaves the condenser and enters into evaporator. In evaporator, that ammonia gets evaporates into hydrogen at low temperature corresponding to its low partial pressure. So during the process of this evaporation, the ammonia absorbs heat from the space and produces the cooling effect or refrigeration effect in evaporator. So in evaporator there is hydrogen. So the mixture of ammonia and hydrogen passes to the absorber where the water absorbs the ammonia because water have the maximum tendency to absorb ammonia and hydrogen return to the evaporator. So in the absorber, ammonia passes from ammonia circuit to water circuit. So this strong solution from this absorber is passed into the generator where it is heated and vapor gives off rises to the separator. The water is separated or separate out and passed back to the absorber. The ammonia vapor rises from the separator to the condenser where it is condensed and then returned to the evaporator. So the main purpose of this system is to eliminate the pump so that in absence of any moving part, the machine becomes noiseless. So this is simple working. If you see the diagram carefully, if you start the working from the condenser, in condenser ammonia gets condensed, that liquid ammonia enter into evaporator. In evaporator that ammonia gets vaporized. The rate of evaporation of ammonia increases with the help of lightest gas hydrogen. So the cooling effect increases. So after vaporization, that vaporized ammonia and hydrogen enter into this absorber. In absorber, water absorbs the ammonia and the solution becomes strong. And whatever the hydrogen that return to the evaporator. Now this strong solution supply to the or enter into the generator through heat exchanger. So in generator, with the help of heat, there is a separation takes place between the absorbent and refrigerant. That means ammonia get vaporized and whatever the weak solution, that is some amount ammonia and water again return to the absorber through this heat exchanger. So in rectifier we will already we have discussed this rectifier in practical aqua ammonia refrigeration system. That rectifier eliminates the entry of water or entry of absorbent in the refrigerant. So whatever the vaporized water that gets separated out in rectifier and again supplied to the generator. Now this heat exchanger, the function of heat exchanger is what? So in heat exchanger, whatever the strong solution supplied to the generator, it absorbs the heat from weak solution, because weak solution have more temperature and strong solution have low temperature. So this heat exchanger helps to increase the temperature of strong solution or decrease the temperature of weak solution. So this is simple working of this domestic Electrolux refrigerator. So the main advantage of this system is there is no any moving part. Due to that, there is no any chance of leakage, there is no any noise, the maintenance is low. The hydrogen gas only circulates from absorber to evaporator and back. The hydrogen is only used to enhance the rate of evaporation of ammonia. The whole cycle is carried out entirely by the gravity flow of the refrigerant. So this is simple domestic Electrolux refrigerator, or this system is also called as 3 fluid vapor absorption refrigeration system. 3 fluids are, first one is ammonia, which acts as a refrigerant. Second one is hydrogen, which is lightest gas, which is used to increase the rate of evaporation of ammonia in evaporator. And third one is water, which acts as a absorbent. So this is about this domestic Electrolux refrigerator.